वंदे शंभुमापतिं सुरगुरुं वंदे जगत्कारणं वंदे पन्नगभूषणं शशिधरं वंदे पशूनां पतिं वंदे सूर्यशशाङ्कवह्निनयनं वंदे मुकुन्दप्रियं वंदे भक्तजन आश्रयं च वरदं वंदे भक्तजन आश्रयं च वरदं वंदे शिवं शंकरं. Friends, as per the statement of Sri Krishna in the Bhagavad Gita, we have a duty to perform our work, duties, responsibilities. We do not have a right to demand the fruit. It looks ridiculous that we should do the duty and do not expect the fruit. There are three dimensions which I tried to analyze. First is fixation of the goal. Rather, what is the sankalpa for doing any work? You do a university course to get a degree. Before going to the university, you have the sankalpa that I should get a BSc degree or a MSc degree. When you go to a hospital, the purpose is to get cured. Without a goal, without a fruit, without an aim, we don't do anything. And what is that goal, what is that aim which we have before commencing the work? That's called sankalpa. Whenever you want a career, whenever you want to get married, whenever you go to a hospital, whatever work we undertake, there is a purpose for that. And while deciding the aim or goal, that sankalpa siddhi before you expect, sankalpa shuddhi there should be. Whether the goal is pure or not, whether it is righteous or not, whether it is noble or not. That fellow Jayadratha had the goal, had the aim, had the desire, and that goal or aim or desire is to kill Pandavas. And therefore, whatever effort he put in, whatever tapasya he did, whatever work he performed, it was all useless. Lord Shiva came, I am sorry, your course study is useless, your tapasya is useless, you cannot be granted the fulfillment of your desire. Pandavas cannot be killed even by me because they are dharmic. Your goal is not noble, your desire is not righteous. Therefore, sankalpa shuddhi is essential. When sankalpa shuddhi also we have choice of the means. What is the method that I have to follow? There is a particular means or method or an effort to be followed. You cannot read physics to pass in chemistry. You cannot do engineering to get an MBBS degree. The appropriate means must be chosen. The method also must be right. And if that is not right, you will not have the fulfillment of the desire. Sri Krishna, when he was a small boy, he was highly mischievous. He was stealing butter. He was entering into the houses of the gopis when they were sleeping, and stealthily he would go into the kitchen, and the pots of butter would be hanging from the roof. He will somehow climb up, take the butter, he would eat it, he would distribute it among his friends, and he would give the surplus butter to the monkeys, cats, dogs, etc. And he would run away. While going, he would apply the butter to the mouth of the daughter-in-law or the mother-in-law. He was making so much mischief everywhere. And they all made a complaint to Mother Yashoda. And Yashoda said, I do not believe your words. You catch him red-handed and bring me. And one gopi was waiting for an opportunity to catch him red-handed. One day, Krishna came. He climbed up. It was a pot full of butter, and he put his hand inside the pot to take a little butter. Just then the gopi came, caught him red-handed. Hey Krishna, I catch you red-handed. You are trying to steal butter from my pot. Then Krishna pretended to be very innocent, very humble, modest, and he said, no, I have not come here to take your butter. We have plenty of butter in our own house. Why should I come to take your butter? In our house, one calf was missing. I was unable to search for it. On the banks of Yamuna, I searched, I could not find. In the neighbors' houses, I searched, I could not find that small calf. The mother is weeping, the cow is weeping. I am searching for the calf which was lost from my cattle. Why did you come here? I have come to see whether my calf is present in your pot. Then the gopi said, am I a fool? How can a huge calf be found in a small pot? Means you have chosen to be wrong. You should search for the calf where it could be available. Similarly, people often choose wrong means. Goal is quite okay. You want to get the calf back. But it should be searched where it has to be searched. You cannot get a BSc degree in the forest. You cannot get the MSc degree in a small village. You should go to the university. You should have the proper means. Means must be properly selected. If you want peace of mind, you should not search for it in a fish market. Go to an ashram. If you want a good, handsome, young husband, you cannot find him in an old age home. You should go to a college or a university where young men are available. See, the place, means, methods, they are also equally important. Now, Sankalpa Suddhi, number 1. Number 2 is means. Number 3, this is also very important, and that is Suddhi, Bhashya Suddhi, Antar Suddhi, put together Chitta Suddhi. All the tools must be perfect. When you are preparing for the examination, your book should be properly printed, your mind should be alert, your eyes must be proper, every part of the body must be clean, and the instruments which you use also must be clean. Shuddhi, Chitta Suddhi. And you buy the milk, you would like to boil it, but the vessel in which you put the milk, it is rotten, it is dusty, it is dirty, and it cannot give you the fruit. Not only the means, but the cleanliness. Antahkarana, there are 4 instruments. Manasu, Buddhi, Chittam, Ahankaram. Bahya, 5 karmendriyas. The entire body, mind, intellect equipment should be clean. In the mythology, there is one particular gentleman called Nala Maharaj. This Nala Maharaj particularly had a name or a goal. He was going, before entering the hall of the game, he forgot to clean his feet properly. The heel part of the foot was not washed and curry entered into it. Germs have entered into it. Impurities have entered into it. And the result, milk is spoiled. Fruit is lost. Examination is missed. You cannot get the mark. Therefore, Sankalpa Suddhi, proper means, and third, Chitta Suddhi. You have to be very clean at every stage. And the fourth one is procedural perfection. You should have the proper process. There must be a methodology. To do research, there is a method. To dress the body, to wear the clothes, there is a procedure. And to prepare food, there is a procedure. To serve food, there is a procedure. Procedural perfection is essential. Sri Ramakrishna tells the story of a few people trying to go by a boat. It is a boat which can be pedaled from within. They got into the boat, they were pedaling the boat right through the night. 10 hours they have pedaled, and morning they found in the same place where they were. The reason, they have forgotten to take the anchor. It was anchored. A girl was trying to prepare food following how to cook a book. She was reading the book, procedure, and she was preparing everything perfectly. And she brought the vessel, she poured the oil, she cut the vegetables, she placed them, and everything was done. Even after 1 hour, nothing has happened. It is the same. She forgot to switch on the stove. Procedural perfection. Everywhere there is a procedure. So, when we take karmanyevadhikaraste, when you are trying to undertake a program, undertake an activity, undertake a duty with an expectation of the fruit, 4 things must be fulfilled. Sankalpa, it should be pure. Sankalpa dosha there should not be. And there should be the right means. If I am taking the vehicle towards Hosur, I am driving it well. I am on the road. But Bangalore is in one direction, Hosur is in the one direction. I have to go to Bangalore City Railway Station, but I am proceeding towards Hosur, the opposite direction. Proper means must be chosen. Even if you have the right means, cleanliness of the apparatus, the tools which we use, everywhere there should be suchi, saucham, there should be purity. And then procedure, shake before use. On the bottle, liquid, medicine, it is written, shake before use. The hard part of it got precipitated to the bottom and the liquid part is there above. The patient has forgotten to shake the bottle before use. He has taken the upper liquid part. After taking, he started shaking his stomach. What is the use? Procedural perfection also must be there. Now there are 4 items before you undertake the work. Then we come to the work proper. Duty, performance of the duty, preparing for the examination, studying the BSc course. Whatever it may be the assignment, whatever may be the work, we are doing it. And while doing that, don't think of the fruit. I am speaking. While speaking, let me not think of the fruit of my action. My action, my mind getting diverted or jumped to the fruit. If it goes, ekagrata is lost. Concentration is lost. Single pointed devotion is lost. Focusing is lost. To that extent, you lose the fruit. In the Mahabharata, you have Karna, a very talented man, very excellent in every activity, and there was the advertisement in Panchala Raju's kingdom. Draupadi is going to choose her bridegroom, Swayam Vara. Vara is going to be selected by her, and there is an entrance examination to be a fit bridegroom. After the entrance examination is successfully completed, Draupadi will choose one of the people, and therefore for that entrance examination, young boys, young kings, young princes are welcome. Many people went to Duryodhana also, right? And this Karna also has made the application. In the application, all tick mark, he is fit. Now, entrance examination. What is the entrance examination? There is a fish going round and round above. Its reflection is seen in the water beneath. Looking at the reflection, when the fish is rotating, that moving fish is to be shot at. One by one, people were entering the entrance examination. Everybody has failed. Karna has gone. He is skilled. Now, goal is to shoot, succeed. Action is with a particular procedure, means so many things, everything is perfect. Karna has gone. He is looking at its reflection in the water. He has aimed the arrow towards the fish which is moving above. When he is about to shoot, he is going to succeed. He is about to shoot. And there, Draupadi was sitting in her chamber. She was looking from above all the activities. She was afraid. This fool Karna might succeed. If he succeeds, he will be a suitor. I may have to consider him. I don't like that fellow. I don't want to appoint him. Even if he gets 100 out of 100. It is only an entrance examination. I don't want to select him. I don't want to marry him. It's after all my Swayamvara. And then Draupadi, looking at Karna, shouted from her chamber, "Hey Karna, Sutaputra, you the son of a low caste person, even if you succeed, I am not going to marry you, get out." She shouted from the top of her voice. Now Karna, he was about to shoot, he was highly concentrated in his mind, ekagrata, procedure is perfect, excellent means, Sankalpa, it is a public one, there is nothing wrong. Every condition is fulfilled while performing the action, while taking the examination, there is a distraction. Ekagrata is lost. His mind got diverted. Karna, for a fraction of a second, looked in the direction from where Draupadi shouted, and he missed the mark. Fish he could not shoot, he fell. Karmanyevadhikaraste. While performing the duty, while preparing for the examination, while taking the examination, when you are in the office, don't think of the salary. While preparing for the examination, while taking the examination, don't think of first class or second class or third class. Sankalpa you can have, but not while doing the duty. Sankalpa is beforehand. Once you enter the field of activity, you have made the inquiries. This is the right road to go to Bangalore. And you are on the right road, you have taken all the necessary steps, and while going on the same good road to Bangalore, don't get distracted to the bar shop. There is a tempting rum bottle, whiskey bottle, there is a beautiful girl drawing your attention. You turn that side and you forget the goal. You miss the mark. So ekagrata is the next one. And that is very much said in our Yoga Sutras, Patanjali's Yoga Sutra. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana. Pratyahara and Dharana are just two things. Eliminate the unwanted, assimilate the wanted. Why should Karna get drawn by the sound which was produced by Draupadi? If he is really concentrated, be deaf to everything. When you are taking the examination, you don't listen to anything. When you are preparing for the examination, TV cannot distract your attention. So, Krishna says, while performing the activity, don't get distracted. Ekagrata is essential. So, the three conditions, first is Sankalpa, Suddhi. Second one is Ekagrata. And the third one, tomorrow we shall see. Let's concentrate on Sri Krishna. Asato ma